Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 27th, 2022. I am back. We're going to talk about Tesla today because the market has already concluded, or Tesla has already concluded with their 3-for-1 stock split. So I wanted to come in and revamp my price prediction, give y'all a new price target as to where I'm looking for the market in Tesla to go, seeing that price is now around $288 rather than around $900. So let's talk. If you guys appreciate my videos and my content, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. I am here to show you that this is not a complicated game and that you can consistently make bank without the confusion. So make sure you guys join the team if you all want. If not, I understand there's a lot of other people out there that you all can get your information from, and hopefully they can guide you in a way that will bring you in more money. All right, so check this out. I did a video in Tesla on August the 13th. You guys can see that when I did the video, Tesla was trading all the way up here. Okay. So I needed to come in and revamp my price prediction, give y'all a new ballpark as to where I'm looking for the market to go. So let's go ahead and cut this out first. Let's clean this up, and we're going to give you all a new idea as to where Tesla is going to go down here. Now, before I show you what I think the market is going to do in Tesla, look at this article right here from Benzinga, right? Tesla gets a new price target from Wedbush after the stock split. China production boost. Now, one thing I want everyone to realize who views this video is that these analysts, we have to question how they make their money, right? Because if you pay attention to a lot of the recommendations that these analysts do, most of them are always on the buy side. You rarely see analysts give you sell ratings. I wonder why. Are these companies in the pockets of these analysts? Like, is Tesla paying Wedbush for their recommendations or their analysts, their analytical research? Take a look at this. Just watch. So you guys can see right here that Wedbush analyst Dan Ives. You guys don't know who Dan is? Here's an image of him, right? A whole lot of images of Dan right here of him doing recommendations on various companies, namely Tesla, looks like, right? Seems like he's the Tesla guy for Wedbush. Now, he has updated his price target for Tesla, okay? He adjusted a pre-split 12-month $1,000 price target. So originally he had a price target of $1,000 for Tesla, which works out to be $333, right? To $360. They maintain its outperform rating. So they're still looking for Tesla stock to go up, right? Now, 360 is what we're looking at, right? Keep that in mind. Now, this is what Dan is saying about Tesla now. Okay, so I want us to look at some of the buzzwords that are being thrown throughout this article. The analyst said Musk and company are on track, right, to produce over 1 million vehicles annually out of this key artery, talking about the China factory. They upgraded some of the material, the equipment there in China, and now they are on course, on par to produce over 1 million vehicles, right? Now, if you just take that sentence as gospel, if you were just to take that sentence as nothing can go wrong, you need to reverse that and say more definitely things can go wrong. There have been numerous times to where you suspect one thing is going to occur and then something else completely happens that you didn't even consider. That is why I highlighted on track. So many times things can get off track that he doesn't even anticipate that can occur, that can derail what he originally intended of seeing Tesla produce over 1 million vehicles. Like, there are so many astronomical things that you can't even contemplate that can say, hey, I didn't think about that. So then later on down the road, where you see the train get off track, he will have to come in and reverse what his original idea was on this article today, right? Now, he also wrote, or he says, and I quote, for 2023, we believe 2 million deliveries potential and massive production capacity will be a significant advantage for Tesla in its EV arms race with competition coming from every angle and geography. We believe. Okay. So now we're dropping recommendations and, buy recommendations off of what one person believes. One person. This is just Dan's idea. This is not Wedbush's idea. This is one person's individual idea about what he thinks Tesla's going to do in the future. Just one. And just one person out of billions of people on this planet is able to spur people's opinions and ideas about what Tesla's going to do in the future. Rather than us paying attention to the price chart, to where we can have the whole collective of the market tell us what they think, this article, Wedbush, Dan want us to follow him and his presumptions. Isn't that amazing? So let's go ahead and look at the price chart now. Okay, so he has 360 as his newest price target. Market close in Tesla at 288. So we're not even far from seeing that price target be hit, right? That's very doable. 25% run up. We can see that happen in Tesla. No issues, no problems about it, right? Now, he usually has, or these analysts usually drop 12-month price targets, right? So over the next 12 months, could Tesla hit 360? Yes. Okay, I'll be one of the first ones to tell you that. Yes, we can see that. Now, let's look at the chart though from this perspective, seeing that we are now trading below $500. Let's create what we are seeing on the chart in Tesla real quick. Okay, so let's not forget that the overall trend in Tesla has broken, right? This particular market was doing fantastic all the way in early 2020. The market was massively bullish. Like, look at the direction of the price in Tesla until we broke it in May of this year. That trend is still applicable. That trend is no longer viable for us to see the price in Tesla go up. So we have to come through and change this thing up. Now, we've also noticed that here is where the market in Tesla is being strung up, right? It's having problems. Okay, let's just keep it real. Now, this horizontal line is below Dan I's 360 price target. So we already know, okay, just by looking at the chart, that his price target is not even thinkable until we see the market in Tesla break 320 to the upside, at least. We shouldn't even be thinking about a price target of 360 until we see Tesla's price break 320 to the upside. I'm just going to keep it real. We can say that because every time the market in Tesla came to this particular price level, right? Let's keep it a buck, right? Because money don't lie. Charts don't lie. When the market in Tesla was trading around 315 back in February of this year, look what happened, right? Price came down. Take a look. Now you can see it again here. Price in Tesla came back up to 315 in May of this year. What happened? Price came down. Here we are again today, August. What is going on into the market in Tesla? Price is coming down. It is being rejected at 315. So even though Dan has a price target of 360, I already know, hey, that's not going to happen until I see this market break 315 at least. If it breaks 315 to the upside, then we could come in and say, all right, Dan, let's see how high the price in Tesla is going to go next, right? We can say that then. Take a look at the market in Tesla on the 2 weeks. Okay. So now, I don't think that the price in Tesla is extremely weak. I really don't think that, a lot of the fear right now is because of what Jerome Powell said yesterday in terms of inflation and how they're going to continually fight against it by raising the interest rates, and how the market didn't like it and the Dow fell 1,000 points. But Tesla is not necessarily acting that way, right? And that's a very good sign. That's a very good signal for the market in Tesla, especially if you're trying to buy this particular stock. This market is not massively weak. I keep it real. I keep it a buck, right? So what's going to happen next though? I really think that the weight of the market in Tesla is to the downside. I don't think that the market is massively bullish right now. I definitely think that the overall weight is weighing in on the sell side of the market right now. Look at this on the 5-day chart. Okay, you guys can see here that every time the market in Tesla comes up here to that 315, it shows us selling, right? There was the opportunity right here for the market in Tesla to break above 315, this 5-day price bar right here. Okay, this was the sign. This was the clue to tell us that we may actually now finally see price in Tesla break 315. That was it right there. But then look what happened. The next 5-day price bar, it came right back down. So I'm looking for price in Tesla to go down. Now, I'm not going to be massively bearish. I don't think it's going to crash. I don't think it's going to collapse. So everyone who is a bull in Tesla, just relax. Price, you guys can tell from the chart, it comes down as well. Okay. Now we need to try to figure out though, how low. Okay. That's one thing that a lot of people who cover these stocks, they don't tell you where price is going to go. That's one thing I can respect about these Wall Street analysts, is that they give you price targets. They tell you where they think the market is headed. But so many other these YouTubers out here tell you to hold the stock for 40 years and we'll see where the market is then. No, that's why I can respect analysts, even though a lot of their recommendations are only buys. So let's go ahead and get in position and look at where we think price in Tesla is headed. Not too far. I mean, I already see like 278, 280 as the initial point that we can see buyers come into the market in Tesla. Then my second area is around like 260. So let's put this on a chart so y'all can visually see what I think the market in Tesla is going to do. So I said 280. That's not even a lot. Now, the sooner that we see it come through and hit 280, the better. If we see buyers come in around 280, that's great. That's fantastic, because it tells us that the demand into the market in Tesla is still there and that its ability to break 315 to the upside is increasing. We want to see that happen. But if we don't, then we're looking at around 260. Okay, so that's around 10 and almost 9.5% there. I'm going to bring it down to 240, but I don't think it's going to go that low. But I just want to include that on the chart just in case the market in Tesla continues to fall. All right, so let's bring this over. And let me tell you the 3 price targets again. The first one is at 280. Second was at 260. And the third one is at 240. Okay, put this back over on the daily time frame so we can continually view the market in Tesla. And we already know, if we see the market in Tesla even run back up to 315, right? Even if we see the market in Tesla do this, right? It begins to come up and it gets rejected at 315 again. We already know we're already in position. It's just that simple. So that's it. I'm here. This is what I'm thinking the market in Tesla is headed, what it's about to do. Give me your price target, your price prediction into the market in Tesla as well. Let me reiterate, 280 is first, 260 is second, and then all the way down to 240 is third. I really don't think it's going to go that low just yet, but hey, anything can happen into the market. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.